Here's how to turn off screen time on your iPad. So if you've enabled screen time, it might be restricting some of your iPad activities. So to turn it off, you need to open your settings on your iPad. Then after, in the left-hand menu, find and tap on screen time. And on the right side, you'll see your screen time report. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on the red turn off app and website activity option, and then tap on turn off app and website activity again, which is highlighted in red color. And this will no longer report the screen time, and all the limits and downtime settings will be turned off. You'll need to enter your screen time passcode to disable it. And if you've forgotten the passcode, you can reset it using your Apple ID password. And once you've entered the passcode or reset it, screen time will be turned off, and you can re-enable it anytime by tapping on the blue turn on screen time button. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.